Hello everyone, welcome back my channel.
Elton John wears his old kneecap as a pendant around his neck following latest health scare. Elton John has never been one to shy away from a flashy accessory, but his latest one might top the list of unique pieces. While walking the red carpet at the premiere of his documentary, Elton John, Never Too Late, at the London Film Festival, the Crocodile Rock singer-songwriter allegedly wore his old kneecap around his neck as a necklace, according to Us Weekly. Earlier this month, while walking the carpet at the New York Film Festival, the performer revealed he has had many operations in recent history, including getting both of his knees replaced, joking, "There's not much of me left. I don't have tonsils, adenoids, or an appendix. I don't have a prostate. I don't have a right hip or a left knee or a right knee," John told People. "In fact, the only thing left to me is my left hip." The musician has been candid about his recent health battles, opening up to his Instagram followers in September about a severe eye infection he contracted over the summer, explaining it left him with only limited vision in one eye. John was also hospitalized in August 2023 following a fall at his home in France. He spoke about his health and how that impacts his relationships with his young sons, Zachary, 13, and Elijah, 11, in his documentary. "They think about my mortality. They worry about my mortality," John said in the documentary. "Not so much David, but me," he added, referencing David Furnish, his husband. Furnish and John met in 1993 at a dinner party thrown by a mutual friend and have been together ever since. Over a decade later, the two registered as a civil partnership in December 2005, later tying the knot in December 2014 on the 9th anniversary of their civil partnership. His sons are not the only ones who think about the singer-songwriter's mortality, with John further expressing that although he wants to, he doesn't think he will be around to see his sons get married or have children of their own, so he says he tries to make the best of my time while I'm around. The documentary follows John as he prepares for the final concert in North America during his farewell Yellow Brick Road tour in November 2022. During his preparation, John reflects on his decades-long career and all the highs and lows that have brought him to where he is today. "There are moments making the film where it started to get too much for me. I started to be carrying a lot of anxiety and a lot of emotion," Furnish, who co-directed the film, told Hello at the premiere. "It's a responsibility, but for me, it's also a joy because I know a side of Elton that the rest of the world doesn't know. And it was really important to us that we captured his authentic voice and his heart really, honestly, and I feel we've done that." John has achieved great success as a musician, having sold over 300 million records worldwide, becoming one of only 21 entertainers to have reached EGT, Emmy, Grammy, Oscar, Tony status, and becoming the first solo artist with UK top 10 singles across 6 decades, with more than 50 top 40 hits in both the UK and the US and 7 consecutive #1 albums in the US.